I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Darkness rules in the halls of power. Greedy hands build their ivory tower. People suffer in the streets below.
Ang bait talaga ni Lord, guys. Thank you ng marami, Lord. Hindi ko sila iwanan ng amo ko hanggat may gusto pa nila ako na magtrabaho sa kanila. Kasi itong amo ko, guys, kaedad ito ng ano ko. Matanda sila si mama ng konti. Yung lalaki is matanda ng 1 taon kay papa. Yung babae naman is 69, 73. Matanda si mama ko ng 4 years. So sana maghahaba pa yung buhay nila dito sa mundo para mabigyan ko pa sila ng aking tawag nito, yung mabigyan ko pa sila ng magandang buhay. Buhay. Sa totoo lang, guys, kanina hindi ko talaga ma-express yung damdamin ko, yung inabot, kahit alam kong medyo kapos sila ngayon yung ang nagpasildo ka sa akin kasi is yung anak na niya. Okay? So, ayun, masaya ako. Hindi ko ini-expect, kaya nga sabi ko kung mayaman itong amo ko, talagang napakaswerte ko kasi hindi siya madamot. So guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone all over the world. So thank you, YouTube, for your support and for my YouTube partner. Thank you.